Okay, friends, I have just finished Debbie's quilt-along quilt that she started 4 years ago. So glad that she brought it over. I did it with that gorgeous citrine design, so feathery and loopy and lovely in my plush purple color of thread. What I have done so far to take it off, I just want to show you about taking it off right here. I have moved it, my belly bar from the working station up to the loading unloading station. That reduces the distance of the bar and allows me to work a little bit easier. So I've taken off my red snappers from the bottom of the quilt right here. We'll just move those off for a minute. And then I thought I'd show you how I'm going to get all of this taken care of. I'm now going to come to my upper gear. We're going to see if we can release that with one hand. Well, look at that. Yes, we can. And I'm going to unroll the quilt from the top side until I can see the red snapper and a little bit more. Then I'm going to lock that gear. I like to come to the front of the quilt machine. Different people have different ways of doing it. And I'm going to pull this part out of the leader. And then I will remove the red snappers from the top of the quilt. That's how I like to handle it. These ones live on the back side of the quilt machine over here because that's where I use them when I reload. And now the quilt has been released. You can pull it out. You can see the back is gorgeous. The front is amazing. I will end up taking her over the presentation wall, putting her up there, getting pictures and videos, and finishing anything up that needs to happen, like if I have to do any squaring up, trimming, clipping any threads, anything along that line, that's going to happen now. But she's done. She's released from the machine, and most people don't see my machine without something on her. Someone stopped by the other day and she says, wow, I've never been here when there isn't something loaded. I like to keep something loaded because it gives us a surface to work on. But here she is in all of her sweet little naked glory. She loves to have something put on top of her, and thankfully I have a whole bunch of wonderful quilts over here on the quilting rack, and I'm going to be loading another one here. It's going to be a gorgeous back right there, and she's going to go up there next. But in the meantime, this cutie pie is going to get finished up and put up onto the presentation wall. So that's kind of how I end it. Have an amazing quilty day.